and welcome to day 7 of my week of vlogs. It is the last day. Actually, I think I'm going to do one tomorrow as well, so we'll make it an 8-day thing. But yeah, so second to last day of my little vlogging session. So today we are going to be at work. We're doing 9 till 5 today. So basically we have been cruising. We've been doing Portsmouth to Bruges. And for that reason, there is no tax on anything that we sell. However, when we move to the Mediterranean, which we will do in the next few weeks, we will have tax on all of our things. There will be a 21% tax added. So basically the stuff we sell will no longer be duty free. So today is really fun because basically we're repricing everything with the tax included, because I know in the States you're used to going shopping and having to add on the tax, but in England we're used to the tax being in the price. So if we don't change the price and someone sees something they like and it's, I don't know, $50, but then they get to the till and it's actually $60 or whatever 21% on 50 is, they're not going to be very happy and probably won't buy it. So it's just better if we change all the prices so that the tax is included in the price. So anyway, that is what we are doing today. So yeah, let's go and get some coffee, because you know that's how I start every day, and then we'll go.
Love interrupted by tragedy, lost in the drought of nightfall, running in search of the remedy, trying to find her place in it all, focused only on the negative. All she can attract is pain. Perception is what will manifest. Thought she could escape, but it's all the same. Birds fly south for the winter, but she ran to the west side. And though much was stolen, much still abides. And I know she'd rather keep her distance, but as time moves on.
Okay, so we are now going to break for lunch. I'm absolutely ravenous.
Oh, thank you. I don't know what might happen there.
Oh, little bow.
Take a break or stay. Print a magazine. Build a house of trees. Don't be so afraid that you'll leave one day. We can watch the new midnight sun in June. The world is spinning around you and me under the sun. We'll always stay in this heavy, ecstatic sound where the seats in the ground will be forever around. 'Cause what we're making will last forever. No lies, no faking. We're true like rain, like the wind. No failing. There's only time, so make it worth it. Whatever story you're in, whatever story you're in, whatever story you're in, whatever story you're in. You say I do. Make a home for two. Make up characters in a novel too. Don't be so afraid
So now we are just finishing up. We're just waiting for everyone to finish their bits and bobs, and then we're going to have a meeting, and then we are going to go. So we have done a standard Reddy's watching me. We've done like a standard 9 to 5 day today, which is nice because I have the evening. So I've just got back. It is now 5:30. Just go back to the cabin, and it is laundry day. So Pootu has been and changed my bed linen, which is lovely, so I'll have a nice fresh bed this evening. So I'm gonna make my bed, because it's one of those things that I want to put off, but I'll just get it out the way and then it's done and I can relax. But yeah, good day at work, got most of it done. We're gonna go in again tomorrow and just finish some stuff off, but it should be fairly easy. I think we got most of it done today, so that was good. And yeah, I am going to make my bed and I'm going to go to the gym. I'm going to go to the gym because there is a crew spin class on, which is really exciting. I'm going to try and film it. However, I know that people don't necessarily want to be on film when they are working out, so we'll see if I can get some, if people are comfortable with me doing that. But yeah, let's get cracking, because the longer I sit here, the longer I just want to lie down and go to sleep. So we need to keep moving.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We're living like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living.
So I've just got back. I have showered. I've got changed. I am absolutely ravenous and tired. So let's go to the mess and have some food. I can't even speak. I don't even know what I'm saying. We're going to go to the mess and have our dinner now, before I pass out, because I am just knackered.
I can understand you're tired of this town, and I'm not saying that we have to settle down now. Just remember this: we could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other out there, made us realize we're more than just stardust. Ignore this fact if you must, to do what your dreams are telling you to do. And I'll be out there looking for someone like you.
Right guys, I am back. I am full. I am tired. It has been a productive day, but I am ready to sleep. But I'm sorry if this video has been a little bit boring. Like I said, ship life might be more exciting or less exciting than you think, but I will leave that up to you. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really, really appreciate it. And I will see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.